Jira versus Azure DevOps 2025. Which one is actually better? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just directly get onto the topic of this video. So Jira is for agile project management for software teams like Scrum, Kanban, issue tracking. And on the other hand, the Azure DevOps is full DevOps life cycle including code repos, CI/CD, pipelines, test plans, and agile boards. So let me tell you the key differences. So uh, Jira is mainly project based and issue tracking, and on the other hand, the DevOps is end-to-end DevOps toolchain, and Jira deep supports for Scrum, Kanban, and Epics. And on the other hand, Azure DevOps is for boards, sprints, backlog, and similar functionality. And external Jira has external like GitHub or Bitbucket, and the Azure DevOps has native Git repos, GitHub, DFVC. And on the other hand, Jira needs third-party tools like Jenkins or Circle CI, and Azure DevOps has built-in pipeline module. And let me tell you something about something pros and cons about Jira. So the pros are its flexible workflows and huge plugin ecosystem and great for agile teams. And the cons of Jira are needs external tools for CI/CD, can be overwhelming for non-tech users. And on the other hand, Azure DevOps pros are one platform for code, boards, pipelines, testing, and seamless with Microsoft tools, strong enterprise support. And the cons are UI feels dated for some and less intuitive for non-Windows environments. So you can use Jira if your team wants the best-in-class agile project management, already has preferred tools for code and CI/CD and values flexibility. And you can use Azure DevOps if you want a all-in-one Microsoft integrated platform, especially for enterprise DevOps, CI/CD, and Git repos all in one place. And Jira is better for project tracking and team flexibility, and Azure DevOps is better for full DevOps lifecycle management. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.